Hi people, back again with another unboxing video of another new batch of airplanes. I seem to be addicted to buying these. Thought I'd buy another couple. Just thought why not? Thought I'd treat myself during this COVID pandemic. So do a quick unboxing, see what I've got. Can't even remember. Right, what we're greeted with straight away, probably see an Etihad box, which is quite nice. What did I get? A Etihad Airways A350-1000. This one's actually not even flying with Etihad at the moment. But I bought it anyway, just in case they don't go for it. At least I'll say, well, I've got it to my collection, something that we're gonna go live with, but they decided not to. And an A320 with Bangkok Air. This one I've actually flown on, so this one obviously I've not. But I wanted a Bangkok Air in my fleet, limited edition. What else did I get? And I also got a metal stand, Phoenix, just so I can put a couple of my planes on display. And there is another one, which is quite cool. Let me unbox this one first, because this one's kind of more excited about. Another tiny model. But yeah, I do like Bangkok. Amazing city. Can't wait to go back once all this is sort of over. This is quite cool. Small aircraft, but that's probably the actual scale of it. Let's quickly zoom in. There we go. See my thumb. See the livery there. The registration is HS PPH. You've got the wildlife livery on there. What does it say? It's so small. United for Wildlife, Bangkok Air. Little engines. You've got the wingtips. You've also got the antennas on the top. And you've got the tail with the little Thailand flag on it. Then you've got the landing gears. The engines are cool, look a bit bent ones. Is it actually? No, it's fine. Yeah, overall nice little model. Quite happy with this. Quite like the livery on it. Looks quite nice. Yeah, and then you got the little Wi-Fi antennas at the top, but they're not. They're just printed on. So this was quite a cool little model. Let's go to the next one, which is the A350-1000. Probably, well, I've not flown on this, but I'm hoping to fly on the Qatar one, hopefully at the end of the year, and see what theirs is like. So this one's obviously a much larger aircraft in terms of its scale. Let's see if I can get into this. Bloody hell, I'm wrestling to get into these. Go. Oh, this one's quite nice. I've got many Airbuses, except for the A380 collection, and the A320s and the A330s. But yeah, it's the first A350-1000 in the standard Etihad livery. Actually, quite a nice model. Quite glad I actually bought this. Looks quite cool. I'll just quickly zoom in. There you go. You got the nose, which is quite distinct to the A350. You got the antennas at the top and bottom, you got the door, you got the little UAE flag. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. You got the engines there. And then you've got the curved wingtips. If it zooms in, there you go. What focuses. You got the landing gears, which do kind of rotate. Yeah, quite a nice model. And you got the registration, which is A6XWB, I think. Yeah. Then you got the tail there. I think it's got the tail on the Etihad's always probably going to be my favourite. I quite like the funky design. And on the other side, you got the Wi-Fi antenna at the back, which is quite 3D. And you got the little aerials there. Engines are cool. I would have thought they had the Etihad logo or something printed on them, but they don't. I'll have to check if my A380's got it printed, but yeah, pretty much the same on the other side. Quite a nice little model. Yeah, quite happy with that. Again, you can see the comparison of size compared to these. These are actual in real terms. These are the 1 to 400 scales. So if you were to see them in real life, that will be pretty much the same size comparison. So now let's see what these are about, these little stands. I'll probably crack one open if you don't want to see them both. I hate these blister packs. So I'll probably end up cutting myself. Blunt blade. I should have really have got scissors. Alright, I managed to get into this. Let's see what these stands are about. Whoa. Hate blister packs. So yeah, this is actually alright. Chrome finish. Yeah, made out of metal. Got a little Felix branding there. See if it takes the weight of this. It should just slot straight in because you got the little hole there, and then you got the little thing there, and then it should. Yep, and it rests perfectly. Cool. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. The stands are quite nice, so at least I can put them on display rather than just resting them on a table somewhere when as and when I get a chance. But yeah, quite happy with this little setup. This is probably I think this is my 14th or 15th model. Yeah, quite happy with them. I'll probably no doubt spend more money on them. So thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.